What's up YouTube? So natapapan na natin ang coolant. And another thing, kita nyo, meron siyang residue dyan na leaking, like rusty. So ang kanyang bleeder, nung natapapan natin yung kanyang bleeder dito, bleeder pipe, merong crack, as you can see. So that's been there a long time, since meron nang rusty yung kanyang markup in there, rusty. So what we gonna do is we gonna take that bleeder pipe out, and then we gonna like reconnect the pipe like naging na siya kadako. So i-sacrifice na to niya itong deep socket mo na itong ipuli diya. So ato lang siyang katingon diri, and then i-connect on both sides. If it is working, it's work. If it's not, it's not. That's the thing here. So we sacrifice this deep socket here, and we put it there, connector. But before that, we're gonna need access, and to gain access to that is to remove the battery and the battery housing itself, to gain access to the bleeder thing. So minsan na itong tinanggal, kita nyo nakababa na yung kanyang clip, pero hindi tinuloy, or nakalimutan ito pagbalik. Dalawa lang yan. So ang pinaka-main thing natin dito is kailangan ma-address natin yan, yung leaking na yan. Okay. This is 10 mil, and then long range, long extension unit. By any chance, we shouldn't remove this thing here. See this one? These are the connector for the ECU. But if not necessary to remove, do not remove this, because this is very delicate connectors in there. Very delicate, so do not remove. Okay. Do not remove unnecessary things. Now we're gonna deal with this one now. I hope only the top one is fuck. What we're gonna do is we're gonna clamp on both sides, so we will minimize the coolant leaking. Balik natin itong kanyang clip na hindi na ibalik sa mga dating gumawa nito. Yan. And then lock up natin yung dito para na-minimize natin yung dito. Oh god. Hirap pa to. We need to do some action to make them happy. So, ito yung sa vacuum niya guys. Ito yung sa vacuum, sa brake booster. So, ano lang natin to. Ganyan. Kaya isang kasi ang sikip-sikip nito. Tama na din yung kanyang ano dito, yung kanyang rubber dito manipis na din. Bibigay ito kalaunan. So maraming problema dito. Ito siya. Kalakuha na design talaga ito. The crack is in the middle itself. Ito siya. Ito siya. That's the problem there. That's the crack in there. It's kind of twin pipe connected on both sides. So that's the problem. So kailangan talaga ng pipe ito. Hindi natin magawa ito pagka wala tayong pipe na prescribe nito. Dahil ito siya connected as you can see, special pipe. So the crazy engineers who design these things is a lot of bollocks.